Everybody, welcome back to the Well in Session. I'm Elle Woodworth, registered dietitian and owner of Eat Well Elle. I have a guest today.
Hi, I'm Juliana. I am a licensed marriage and family therapist. I am here to talk about how nutrition and mental health pair well together.
So I asked Juliana to chat with us today because I've noticed with a lot of my patients that their nutrition outcomes actually improve if they're also involved with a mental health therapist or counselor. Many of these people are not seeking out mental health treatment for nutrition concerns. So I wanted to bring Juliana in to talk to us about why that might be.
Well, I think a lot of people forget that when it comes to nutrition and when it comes to trying to put yourself in a better place physically, there's also a mental component to it. I think that's underappreciated, especially if you're specifically looking for a nutritionist, right? So when we talk about therapy and nutrition together, we're talking about not only the mental piece, but our biology piece, our social piece, everything about a human life that can contribute to where you are now in your life. So one of those big things is your eating habits, and that's going to affect your mental health as well. But as we are combining therapy into nutrition as well, I think it's important to consider what are the elements around us in our lives that also end up contributing to your mental health. And that looks like anything, whether it be your work situation, whether it be your family, whether it be your social life. All of that is going to be factors in terms of how we take care of ourselves, as well as how that can impact nutrition as well.
I think that's true. And so I want to ask a follow-up question. If I have new patients call and say, I'm interested in nutrition services for these reasons, but I saw this video and I'm wondering if it would make sense to start with a therapist at the same time, what kind of guidance could I give them? And what would be sort of like indicators that it could be helpful to do both and not just one?
Well, I think when it comes to especially nutritional needs, that there is also a need for some sort of stress relief. Being able to change your nutrition and being able to change these really big lifestyle choices that you're making is going to have a mental impact on you regardless. And so if we bring in therapy as well as nutrition at the same time, we can learn not only the physical health benefits of making your nutrition as well as it can be, as well as keeping up with your mental health as well, because these changes that we make in life, whether it's changing your diet, whether it's a new exercise routine, whether it's like your meal planning for the first time and you don't know where to start, it could be stress inducing. So starting the therapy as well as the nutrition can help you alleviate both your physical needs as well as your mental needs during this transition.
I think that's a really great point. So if any of this has resonated with you and you feel like you want more information about nutrition sessions, mental health sessions, or some combination, feel free to jump into the show notes and grab the website and contact information for either one of us.
Awesome.
Have a great day.
Thanks. Okay.